We're enhancing our range of open optical encoders with the introduction of the new AtomDX encoder series. The AtomDX is Renishaw's smallest incremental optical encoder with digital output down to 2.5 nanometers direct from the readhead. Positional feedback, onboard interpolation and filtering optics combined into a powerful miniature encoder suitable for the most demanding space-constrained applications. The AtomDX encoder is quick and simple to install using the intuitive automatic calibration routine. With no need for any external interfaces, AtomDX simplifies the integration process.
The AtomDX encoder system incorporates filtering optics into a miniature digital encoder by utilising a high reliability, ultra-compact LED. In AtomDX, the scale is illuminated by the LED and an image of the scale is relayed to the sensor by the index grating. Precise design and integration of the LED, index grating and sensor means its image is filtered so the encoder produces a harmonically pure signal. High harmonic purity results in a low subdivisional error. As the filtering optics reject non-periodic structures on the scale, accuracy is maintained even when the scale is contaminated. This means AtomDX has exceptional dirt immunity for a miniature encoder.
As it's such a small encoder, the challenge with AtomDX was to compress the interpolation into a miniature chip without compromising on performance. Many encoders this small have external interfaces. With AtomDX, we compress the interpolation offered by an external interface into a miniature chip. Analog output signals from position encoders generally take the form of sine waves in quadrature. In other words, a sine and a cosine signal 90 degrees apart in phase. These signals indicate change of position and direction of motion. If these quadrature signals are plotted against each other, they form a circular Lissajous figure. As the encoder moves, the signals move around the circular plot, once for every scale period. An interpolator subdivides this signal period into smaller sections, and as these sections are traversed, a pair of digital quadrature square waves are generated, indicating motion and direction at a finer resolution than the original analog signals.
AtomDX is compatible with our advanced diagnostic tool family and free-to-use ADT view software, allowing the remote calibration of the system at the touch of a button. This aids optimization of the encoder setup and provides in-depth diagnostics for in-field fault finding, even in the most demanding of applications. The AtomDX readhead offers versatility with compatible rotary and linear scales at 20 and 40 micron pitch and works with Renishaw's self-adhesive RTLF steel linear scale, RCLC self-adhesive glass spar scale, and for rotary applications, the RCDM glass disc. State-of-the-art automated manufacturing means that every AtomDX meets the highest quality standards whilst offering short lead times. AtomDX is available in two variants, cabled and for space-constrained applications, top exit. AtomDX is backed up by a responsive global sales and support network in over 35 countries. For more information on this and our other position encoder solutions, please visit our website.